What's up, gentlemen and ladies? 25 games is what we're going to be testing on the Intel Arc A580 by Sparkle. Current MSRP up on the screen right now, and we're pairing it with a CPU that you would normally pair a $180 graphics card. A $100 CPU, the i3-12100F. So a 25 game benchmark with a realistic CPU combo that someone would do. This build behind me was $500. Full build guide of this PC is in the description. Full parts list in the description. Let's test out the 25 games, 1080p resolution.
Rainbow Six Siege. Low to ultra settings.
What? You call that fast? That's super slow. That's right, boys. Oh my goodness. Whoops. Oh! I hear someone right on me. God. Average FPS for Siege, 202.
Overwatch 2. Medium settings.
Okay, let me show you guys. Alright, so gameplay is extremely smooth. Watch. Oh, I wasn't even aiming at that person. Alright guys, next one.
Apex Legends. Low to ultra settings.
Pop and open an apple cider to celebrate $500 Intel Arc build. There we go. Oh my goodness, it's such a close game, but we lost. That was such a close game. Average FPS for Apex Legends, 118.
PUBG. Medium settings.
Oh, our first kill. Oh, you players anywhere. Okay, let's... Oh my god, hurry up, hurry up. That was close. No! Average FPS for PUBG, 99.
Avatar. Frontiers of Pandora. Low to medium settings.
Here, take this. A radio? Put it in your ear. Door to the gym is locked. I'll try to find a way through.
Average FPS for Avatar, 94 average FPS.
Battlefield 2042. Medium settings.
Oh, is that an enemy? Ooh, headshot. First. Oh, wrong area. Oh, another target right here. Ooh. Oh! Okay. Wow. Ay, ay, ay. Average FPS for Battlefield 2042, 89.
Halo 3. Medium settings.
Oh shit, mine! Oh, free kills, dude! Right here in front of you, in front of us, in front of us, in front of us. He's on the... Oh yeah, baby, mouse. I think I'm playing games, man. Let's go. Average FPS for Halo 3 on the Master Chief Collection, 240.
Halo Infinite. Medium settings.
Quick heroic difficulty. Oh, this is that one map. ODST firefight from back in the day. This is dope. Average FPS for Halo Infinite, 111.
Red Dead 2. Low to medium settings.
I gotta make burgers. Is make it across. No, we missed the stun. Wait, can we jump? Jump, jump, horsey, jump. Oh my, this train goes to a bridge of some sort. Average FPS for Red Dead Redemption 2, 88.
Marvel's Spider-Man. Medium settings.
Have a run. How do I forgot I'm gonna die. I gotta go. I'll be back. I gotta recover my health. I haven't played this game in a minute. I forgot the controls. What's up, guys? Oh, I'm gonna die. I am going to die. I don't know what I'm doing. Spidey, you gotta keep moving, man. You're gonna die. Oh my goodness. Oh, what is that, Spidey? You only got 2%. Oh my goodness. Average FPS for Spider-Man, 111.
Counter-Strike 2. Medium settings.
First impressions, we are getting 160 FPS right now. Monitors are covered. Let's go, 200 right now. No stutters. So far, so good. Not bad at all. Let's do some clicks. Ooh, the heck. Okay, no scope time. Average FPS for Counter-Strike 2, 160.
Valorant. High settings.
What's going on here? Alright, first kill, awesome. Just gotta focus. Get out of here. Oh no. Oh, right in the jugular. Ah, and I'm dead. Crazy clicks. Yeah. Average FPS for Valorant, 261.
Fortnite. Performance mode.
Oh, he's right there. Oh! Why did he do that? Okay, we need to get some shields. Oh, no. We need a third party. Oh my goodness. And just like that, it's over. Average FPS for Fortnite, 182.
Shrinova. Medium to high settings.
I don't know who I'm playing against. I don't know if these people are on controllers. Kind of confused, but performance is really good on this game. I don't know what to expect, right, as far as performance, because this is literally my first match of this newly released title. Average FPS of this game. I'll rewind the footage. I wasn't paying attention.
Escape from Tarkov Arena. Medium settings.
Oh, I got a kill, guys. It's a miracle. Woo! I'll go in front. I'll take the shots for you. Oh, no, Billy. Get up. Average FPS for Tarkov Arena, 85.
Helldivers 2. Medium settings.
Team with ammo still in the clip. Wasting it. Oh my goodness. Average FPS for Helldivers 2, 67.
The finals. Medium settings.
Oh, we won. We won, baby. Let's go. Average FPS for the finals is 72.
God of War Ragnarok. Medium settings.
Read my eyes, do I want to stay? If you thought you weren't made that way, choices we make, we give and take.
Okay, so average FPS so far 74.
Rust. Medium settings.
This guy has to be one shot. Oh wow. Over here. Average FPS for Rust 78.
GTA. Medium to high settings.
Oh wait, no! I wouldn't have done that if I was you. Here, Christmas gift, early Christmas gift, my friend. Oh, he has a rocket launcher! I think that grenade. Oh, we're done those. We're done those. Average FPS 119.
Assetto Corsa. Medium to high settings.
Call it there. Average FPS for Assetto Corsa, 157.
Warzone. Low settings.
We're ready to party. Yeah! Oh my goodness. Oh, we're in trouble. Bro, are you... Dude, average FPS was 82.
Cyberpunk 2077. Medium settings.
I'm proud of this performance. We're getting 115 FPS right now. Take him out. Take out this warrior. Jackie, you still haven't killed this guy? There you go. Fall back. Fall back. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Okay. All right. Average FPS for Cyberpunk 2077, 130.
Black Ops 6 multiplayer. Low settings.
So first, we're playing the game at native resolution, so no upscaling, and we're getting 60 FPS right now. Our average FPS is at 62. So let's get 1 or 2 kills real quick on this setting. All right, VJ is too much. All right, that was a fun match though.
Black Myth Wukong. Medium settings.
At 50 FPS right now. And he's done those. Black Myth Wukong average FPS 51.
And that's a wrap. 25 games tested. What do you guys think about the performance? For 180 bucks at 1080p, it's pretty good. The Intel Arc A580 definitely has a place at this price point. Check out Crater for more full PC build guides, beginner friendly. We're about to drop a build guide on the newly released Intel B580, which is a great graphics card for the money.
That retails for $250.
The one we're gonna use in that build. All right, guys, take care. Peace.
Your sisters like me, your mother like me,